Hello DIYers, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to make some beautiful candlelight holders, and you can find all supplies needed for this project down in the description box. So to begin, take your Mod Podge and simply paint the middle section of your tea light candle holder. Remove any excess Mod Podge and then simply take your silver fine glitter and sprinkle it on the stem section where you just applied the Mod Podge. Gently tap off any excess glitter that did not bind to the Mod Podge and replace it back into your glitter spout. Now apply gold glitter to the base of the tea light candle holder with Mod Podge and gold glitter. Here I decided to go right back in with just a little bit more of the Mod Podge, not rubbing but gently tapping the stem so that I could add a little bit more of this gold to bring out the pop of glam that I'm looking for. Now I'm adding a little bit more of the silver glitter only because just a little bit more of the gold was applied to the stem center than I wanted. Okay DIYers, now we're going to take our 20-ounce wine glass and we're going to take our sponge brush, our Mod Podge, and we're going to make a spiral design around this wine glass, you guys. Now, I am making sure to not have too much Mod Podge applied to the glass. This is key, you guys. Too much Mod Podge will not allow the crushed glass that we will be putting on here to stay. It will just slide right off. So make sure when you're applying the Mod Podge, you do not overdo it. Clean up any excess Mod Podge with a wet towel, or you can do like me and just gently use your finger. Once you have that all cleaned up, we're going to take our glitters again and we're going to place, this is silver, right down, a very fine amount of silver glitter down on the Mod Podge, and follow up with this crushed glass. Disclaimer right here, you guys, do not use this bare hand, please use gloves. Now, I'm hard-headed. I'm going to do it without gloves because I know how to handle it. But you want to gently put the glass glitter on there and gently press it down into the Mod Podge. This is key. This is how you keep it on there and keep it from sticking out, being very rough and more prone to cutting someone. So we're going to follow those steps up again until we have the 20-ounce wine glass completed and covered in Mod Podge, silver glitter, and crushed glass. And here is a completed look of what you should have. Now we're going to go in between those open sections between where the crushed glass is applied and apply another coat of the Mod Podge. You want to make sure that whole entire section that is not covered in glass is covered now in Mod Podge, and we're going to take this glitter from Heidi Swap. I think that's the name. I'm going to leave it in the description box, you guys. I may not be pronouncing it right, but it is turquoise colored glitter. You're going to apply that you're going to apply the other two glitters, which are the silver and the gold as well. And you're going to fill up all of the open sections with that, just like this, okay? Now, you didn't see me add the gold to that section, but I do add the gold in there, and you will see me do it later on in the video. So you want to just continue to do that until everything is covered. And here, DIYers, is a slower and close up of the process that I just completed on the glass. I'm showing you this angle because I want to make sure that everyone is clear about how to apply this, because these candle holders, you guys, are super cute and make great pieces for event decor, home decor, and gift giving. So our next step, we're going to use some adhesive bling. Now this is adhesive bling. I will say that sometimes these little gems do not always stay secure. So if you want it to really remain secure, you can always just add a little bit of hot glue or some type of permanent glue underneath the adhesive and then apply the gems. So I'm just going to apply them around the tea light candle holders, and then my second row, I will apply it in a brick layer fashion. Now these crystal ice gems are from eFavormart. I will leave it in the description box. It is an affiliate link, so please click on it, and also use the code Hannah Watkins to receive your discount when you're on the site and decide to purchase. So we're going to take these icicle gems and we're going to just build up like this. I don't know what to call it. We're just going to build up this really pretty geometric like rock or something. I don't know what to call it, but it's very pretty, you guys. And we're going to do that around the base of the tea light candle holder. I know you're thinking, well, Hannah, you put the gold there earlier and now you're covering it up. Doesn't it seem like it was a little pointless? Yeah, no. I honestly didn't think to do this. Sometimes I create as I go, and this was an idea that came to my head as I was creating. But you can still see some of the glitters through the base, through the gems. So I think it was not a waste. Now we're going to join the two pieces together using some permanent glue. I can't find my E6000, so I'm going to use this gem permanent glue, which works well on glass as well. And I'm also going to use some hot glue for a quick bond in between the permanent glue. So we're going to apply that and apply it to the tea light candle holders, you guys. And that is going to be it to complete today's DIY. And I'm going to share with you the final look. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's DIY. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your family, your friends across your social media sites, and leave me a comment in the comment section below. Even share a suggestion for the next DIY. Alright you guys, thank you so much for your time. I love you guys so much, and I would like to see you back really soon. Peace, love, and blessings, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.